Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix screenshot if it's not working in Windows 11. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, make sure that you know what you're pressing, okay? Shift Windows key plus S. Again, Shift Windows key plus S. Now it will open up the screenshot. If that won't work, okay, if the keys don't work, you gotta find your start menu, right click on it and click on settings. And then in the left panel, click on accessibility. Now find keyboard, okay? Right here. Click on it. If you're using a laptop, you have a option right here that says use print screen button. Okay, make sure that you enable it, of course. And once that's enabled, go ahead over to the left panel, click on apps and then installed apps. And once done, find Snipping Tool, as this is our screenshot tool for Windows. So click on three dots, advanced options, scroll down, terminate, and then repair. Wait for it. And then once that's done, go ahead and test it out. If that still work, terminate and reset, reset, wait for it. And then once that's done, it should work now. Now, if all else fails, just a simple restart will help fix the issue. Now, if you have restarted your PC and it still doesn't work, you gotta find your search bar and type down updates. Now click on check for updates and make sure that you install all available updates right here. And there you have it. That is how you fix a screenshot if it's not working in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.